Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. Number 15, a 14 kilogram bucket is lowered vertically by a rope in which there is 132 Newton of tension at a given instant. What is the acceleration of the bucket, and then is it up or down? Okay, let's see what force that works on the bucket here. Obviously, it has its weight, right? So we will have its weight working down, pulling the rope down like this. Let's name this force here as Fw. But then Fw is equal to the mass times gravity. And then what is the mass? That will be 15, no, not 15, 14 kilograms. So I have 14. And G is 9.8. Okay, and then what is this? We will have 14 times 9.8, which is 14 times 9.8. That will be 137.2 Newton. 137.2 Newton. And then what else that we can get from here? We have another forces here. That is the tension of the rope, which is the opposite of the weight, right? So we will have this one here. Let's name this as the force by the tension of the rope, and that will be 132 Newton. And then let's see here, because this is larger than this, right? The acceleration will go down because the movements of the bucket here will be going down because this force here is larger than this. So we will have the direction will be going down. So this will be the direction of movement. Direction of the movements. So is it going up or going down? So it will be down. Good. And then what is the acceleration of the bucket? Remember that we have sigma F is equal to the mass times acceleration. And here we only have the force in the y direction. So we will have sigma F on the y direction and the acceleration also in the y direction. Okay. And then here we will have this one here because the direction of movement is going down. I will use this direction as positive one. So we will have Fw minus Ft here. And that will equal to the mass times acceleration. Okay, and so the weight here is 137.2. And then minus 132. And that will equal to the mass, which is 14 kilogram. And this is a on y direction, the acceleration. So we can isolate for the acceleration here. And that will be 137.2 minus 132 divided by 14. And let's just plug that into calculator, right? So we will have what is AY 137.2 minus 132 and divide that by 14. And we will have this one here 0.37, 0.37, and the unit here will be meter over squared seconds. And that is the answer. AY is 0.37 meter over square seconds, and it is going down. And I think that's all for this problem. And as usual, thank you for watching. If you got any questions, send me your problem to this email, rdsatria11@gmail.com. And once more, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.